What's going on? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC hitting you guys with another video today. We're out here with the Losi 5TE. 3.0 guys. So just pick this thing up. And you know your guy Rocky, we're about to put some 12S batteries in this thing. We're gonna have some fun with this thing. Let's go. This is definitely one of the hottest drops for 2026 right now, guys. Look at this, guys. It takes up the whole trunk. Thing is huge. Guys, we'll take a look at the chassis real quick. We have the steering servo here. Nice steering servo horn. Looks like this is a brand new steering servo that they gave us also. Everything looks, the bracing looks really nice throughout the chassis. We have this brand new 12S ESC. They're still running IC5s, which is a good thing. Great. Look at these shocks. Shocks are definitely bigger. We do have a spare functional tire and wheel, of course. Got your battery trays on either side here. Got your motor here on the front. And this is part of the new mounting system that they have. They have the bars on the sides. We just clip them out and it lifts the body up. And we still have the body clips right here in the rear, right in front of the spare tire. And then you have another set of posts that protrude through here. And then of course you put your clips through the bottom. So not bad. You still got your 4 clips and these new body mounts. They do give us a DX3 remote, gives you all the telemetry so you know how much battery life you have left. It's a beautiful looking body, guys. They did a beautiful job on this body. All right, guys, let's make this official. All right. Let's get this thing dirty, guys. Let's go. Car handles very well, guys. The power system feels very smooth. Yeah, we gotta get a launch, guys. Damn. Nice. Battery life is doing very well. It's doing very good on the battery life. Truck handles very well, guys. Uh-oh. Is that a dog bone? I hear something clicking. Guys, this is the new Losi 5TE. So we just got finished doing a first run on this truck, and I gotta say, it's definitely one of my favorite trucks right now that came out in 2026. It's definitely a great truck. It handles very well. The power delivery is honestly, it's damn near perfect. You know, obviously there's always room to improve as far as making it faster, or obviously whatever you prefer, but otherwise this truck is excellent from out the box. Literally from out the box, this truck is perfect, guys. So if you're looking to buy a new Losi or something new, I would definitely grab the brand new Losi 5TE. Make sure you check out Horizon Hobby and Amain Hobbies. Make sure you check out those websites and put it for your pre-order. Alright guys, hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Roxette out.